On the 6th of September, we commemorate a significant moment in history. This is the day when the soldiers of Pakistan stood tall, defending their homeland with unparalleled valor. It's known as Defense Day, a day when the spirit of patriotism resonates through every corner of Pakistan, from the bustling streets of Karachi to the serene valleys of Gilgit-Baltistan. In 1965, the world witnessed Pakistan's military prowess as they defended their frontiers against overwhelming odds. Each soldier, a symbol of courage and resilience, etched their names in the annals of history, creating a legacy that still stands strong today. The echoes of their bravery reverberate in the hearts of Pakistanis, inspiring a sense of unity and national pride. This day serves as a reminder of their sacrifices, their resilience, and their indomitable spirit. So today, as we pay our respects to these heroes, let's remember their sacrifice, celebrate their courage, and honor their legacy. For it is their unwavering dedication that has shaped the Pakistan we know today. Defense Day, a tribute to the real heroes of Pakistan. Thank you for watching.